everyone, my name's Greg. I'm the drummer for the alt-rock metal band Yo Titan. Been drumming now for 20 plus years. In that time, used plenty of sticks. These are my go-tos. They have been for quite some time. 5BRs by Collision. Two reasons really. Durability is excellent. I'm a very heavy hitter. These things last. Secondly is these are the Reach. So great for getting around the kit, reaching cymbals. So these are by far best sticks I've used, and my go-tos. Stay tuned for a little clip of me playing our latest release, which is called Low. Enjoy.
Your time is over.